We're down at Vosper's in Plymouth. Got a Kuga ST Line plug-in hybrid that is plugged in, as it happens. Putting some charge into that 14.4 kilowatt hour battery. Gives up to about 42 miles worth of range on electric only. Nice alloy wheels with red brake calipers. Tinted glass around the rear of the car. This particular car's got a winter pack on it as well. So what that means is heated seats in the front and the rear, unusually, and heated steering wheel. Get a reverse camera standard on the car now, along with power tailgate, which you can operate obviously from that switch there, from inside the car and on the key. Decent sized boot. Seats do fold and slide. Of course, button to bring the tailgate down. Car comes as standard with what was traditionally called driver assistance pack. So that means things like the rubber covers that come out when you open the door prevents you from damaging the door on a wall or another car. Coming in down here, where it's glowing is the heated seats in the rear. Comes as standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is wireless. You've got the electric driver's seat, which also benefits from having 3 memory settings. It's really helpful. Power folding mirrors. The specification is really, really good in the car. Nice clear dashboard. I'll just start the car. Put my foot on the brake. So it's not been PDI'd yet, so I'm going to throw up a couple of warnings. But it's telling me there that the car's charging. It'll be 100% charged at 8:30 this evening, which is useful. Part of the driver assistance pack I mentioned earlier is these sections here where you've got adaptive cruise control. And because this car's an automatic, of course because it's a hybrid, then it gives you stop and go functions as well. Adaptive cruise control will keep you at an equal distance to the vehicle in front of you. Ford Sync 4 navigation system. You'll see here heated seats, so just turn the seat off, turn it on high, medium, low. This one here is for the steering wheel, which is lovely when it's nice and warm. The car also has, as I mentioned earlier, CarPlay and Android Auto, but also DAB radio. You can Bluetooth stream, you can put USB sticks into the car, anything and everything really to make it as easy as possible to get infotainment. Reverse camera, so push this button here and the screen turns into reverse camera. It will also do that, of course, if you engage reverse gear. So that button there is particularly useful if you're going forwards into something. This one's quite clever as well. P button. So navigate to parking. So it will find parking spaces or car parks. And parking assistance there is for the car to parallel park and bay park for you, which obviously is really quite clever. So really great family car that's ready for a new owner. This particular car, and this one only, has a £3,000 customer saving on it and 0% finance, so makes it as easy and cost effective to buy and run as possible. Look forward to seeing you down in Plymouth.